So I wanted to show you how I personally use OneNote, which is similar to how you can use Microsoft Word, except it's more personalized for note-taking specifically. So I have two notebooks here. My first one is for my courses this fall, and they're each separated into 5 sections for each course. And then each of those sections has pages for each day that I have to take notes, which you can separate into bullet points, numbers. You can change the font size, you can bold it, italicize, underline, everything you can basically use in Microsoft Word. And it's basically like each notebook has mini notebooks inside them. My second is for my EDCI 270 course, for the theme, for the badges, whatever I need to work on, which are also separated into 5 pages. And each of those pages are separated into sections. My apologies. And then each section is separated into different pages. So I wanted to specify more on this article that I found, which is on the Scholastic website, which a teacher explains how she goes about teaching geometry in a classroom and the activities that go along with it and how they make it more memorable for those students. And she goes in and talks about how she uses dry erase boards for examples, and I like that idea so that they can use them right after they're learning the lesson. And then doing the yoga, which they make shapes on the floor, kind of engages the students and helps them remember the difference between them and how they can recall it. And then she also includes technology with the scavenger hunt, and she includes iPads and taking pictures of different shapes that they can find around the building of the school. And then also she includes a game, which is free, which is kind of nice, and it's another great way to use technology to enhance the learning experiences for those students.